Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to enable split keyboard in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So guys, you can open any app where you want to use the keyboard. I open Samsung Notes, okay, and then I open a new page, okay. Now here you can see we have the keyboard like icon, which is also called text mode. So just select it, and once you select, your keyboard will appear over here. Now if you want to split it, because the screen size is quite big, so my hands cannot reach some of the alphabets or numbers, so what I can do is I can use the split keyboard option. So if you see this icon over here, this is for split keyboard, okay. So you can see over here, so once you select it, your keyboard now split, okay, and now you can write anything, okay. You can see you can access all your alphabet numbers, everything you can access easily, okay. If I want to change it, okay, so you can see you can do it, okay. So everything I can access from my both hands, okay. If it's over here, it is very difficult to access because the screen size is 12.4 inch, so it is really useful if you use the split keyboard. Now if you don't want to use this keyboard, you can go back to the normal one. You can see there is a back button over here. Just select this one first, and then you have this icon over here for the split keyboard again, okay. If you just select it, it will go back to the standard keyboard. So if I selected, you see it is now go back to the standard keyboard, and now you can access it as well. Guys, you have other keyboard options as well. So if you select this icon over here, you can go to the floating keyboard option. So if I select this floating keyboard, you see the keyboard will become smaller, okay. So now you can also access everything, okay, and you can also move it. So you can see over here, you can move it anywhere on your screen, okay. So that's why it's called the floating keyboard, okay. And if you go back, if you want to go back to the normal keyboard, you can also go back from here. Select this fixed keyboard, just select, and it will go back over here. The next thing I want to mention here, you can also use the handwriting tool over here instead of the keyboard. If you just select it, whatever you write on this pad, it will convert it into the text, okay. So for example, if I write over here whatever, okay, so I write here whatever, okay, so now you can see it convert it into the text. So you can use this option as well, but this video is for keyboard, so we will go back to the keyboard. So you can go back to the keyboard from here. So just select it, and it will go back to the normal keyboard. So guys, you can also change the language for the keyboard. If you select this settings icon from here, if you select it, you can see the first option over here, it's called languages and types. If you select it, okay, and then you see manage input language, you have different options over here, okay, for different languages. So you can insert any kind of language keyboard from here. So this is how you can change the language for the keyboard. So guys, this is for today's video. Keep learning and keep searching, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.